Nissan Philippines flew members of the motoring media to the scenic views of Albay, Bicol for a test drive experience aboard the Nissan Terra, proving that you can go anywhere with the new model. Watch the highlights and highlights of the adventure-filled media drive experience in this special feature.
Following the Nissan Terra's regional premiere in Clark, Pampanga, Nissan Philippines, together with members of the motoring media, took on the roads of Albay, Bicol for a test drive experience with the latest model from the company.
This is the first big major media drive that we are having for Terra. It's the hashtag Go Anywhere, basically to show that the Terra is built to drive comfortably, but also with the legendary toughness of petrol to conquer any terrains that's offered in the Philippines.
After landing in Legazpi City, the media took the Terra for a 2-hour drive to Naga City, where they had lunch at Casa Soriano. Proceeding to the rest of the first day, the team drove a total of 225 kilometers of the cities of Naga and Legazpi long coastal route, which had the scenic view of the Pacific Ocean. The group ended the day with a picnic on Ki-ti-nan hills at the foot of the majestic Mayon Volcano. During the picnic, Nissan Philippines unveiled the limited edition Nissan Terra in fiery red. Only 100 units will be sold in this variant.
Look at this place. It's got majestic background behind us, and the island has quite a lot to offer in terms of experiencing what Philippines terrain is all about. Today we're doing the Rocky Trail, which shows the toughness, and yesterday was the road driving, which showed how comfortable the vehicle is under different conditions. So I think this place helps us to show all of those features that we want to highlight for Terra.
On the second day of the adventure-filled media drive, the Terra 4x4 was able to showcase its capabilities through trekking the trails of the Mayon Volcano. This was made possible by Nissan Intelligent Mobility features coupled with the Terra's powerful off-road capabilities. Nissan Intelligent Mobility is packed with features that let the driver see and sense any obstacle around the car. It alerts the driver by providing enhanced vision and safety when changing lane.
We also have an ATV drive to go up the summit, and it's not about just driving the Terra, but also enjoying what Bicol has got to offer. So we'll be doing that later today. And yesterday, last evening, we launched the Fiery Red, which is a limited edition Terra, which media got to see firsthand last night as well.
The adventure didn't end there, as the team experienced a lava wall made of the hardened lava from the eruption of the Mayon Volcano in 1996. The eruption also caused the creation of the trails in which the Nissan Terra traversed.
Terra is newly launched last year. It's got a lot of innovative features, safety features, very good riding comfort, but also comes with the legendary toughness of petrol. So I would recommend that you visit your nearest Nissan dealership and take one for a test drive. I'm sure you will not be disappointed.
Packed with advanced technological features combined with a stylish exterior and interior, there's no doubt why the Nissan Terra keeps on making waves. That's it for our special feature this week. We hope you enjoyed.